You are most welcome in my channel. Today I'm going to talk about which project management certification is suitable for you. I have seen, especially for the new entrants into project management arena, or maybe after attaining a few years of experience in project management, it is difficult for them to ascertain or decide which project management certification is suitable for them. It is PMP, it is Prince2. So what should be really better? So I have seen many people asking me that question. Should I go for PMP? Should I go for Prince2? Both have good amount of investment required. Both you need to study well. You need to pass an exam, but it is difficult to take a decision. Guys, in this video, I'm going to help you out to finalize and decide yourself. Whether you should go for PMP or you should go for Prince2. When I'm talking about PMP or Prince2, so let's have a little difference, little understanding about PMP. PMP is Project Management Professional. It is owned by PMI Project Management Institute, which is based out in USA, originated in USA. It is a standard. PMP is a standard guide, and it's not a methodology because it can inherit. It can take multiple methodologies. You can use agile, you can use waterfall, you can use spiral model. So multiple methodologies you can use. It's giving you a framework. Okay, the focus on PMBOK, it is based on PMBOK, and focus on PMBOK is on how of the project management. It answers the how question in project management. Whereas when I talk about Prince2, it is okay. Prince2 is called projects in controlled environment. That is meaning of Prince, project in controlled environment. It is highly process based. The templates and processes are quite clear. And Prince2 in Prince2 official manual mentions they also refer PMBOK. Okay. The focus of Prince2 is broad, high level, general framework of project management principles. Okay, before I go for some judgment, let's first talk about the major differences. See, PMP is a single certification. Prince2 has three different levels: foundation, practitioner, and professional. When I'm talking about exam questions and passing percentage, it has 200 questions. It has 75 questions, 50% pass. 8 into 10, 50% pass. So here it is 60%, but it is not. I don't remember it is clearly baseline, but I think it is 60%. Exam duration is 4 hours. Here it is 1 hour for foundation, 2.5 hours for practitioner. Exam fee is about $555 if you are not a member of PMI. Here it is 270 pound or 365 pound, dollar. It varies from institute to institute, of course. And the Prince2 professional is really expensive, as same like PMP. Exam prerequisite for PMP is you need to have 3 years of experience in project management and 5 year if you do not have a degree, 4-year degree. At least 4,500 hours of experience in leading and directing projects. 7,500 hours of experience if you do not have a 4-year degree, and 35 hours of formal project management education. That is mandatory for PMP. These are prerequisites apart from the examination fees. Okay. In case of Prince2 Foundation, it is formal training is required. In Prince2 practitioner, you being certified as Prince2 Foundation, then formal training, and then you go for Prince2 practitioner. Okay. When I'm talking about exam pattern, you need to book an exam on Prometric Center, and it is online multiple choice question. 200 questions, of course, in PMP. Whereas in Prince2 Foundation, usually an accelerated training institute, online multiple choice question. And the practitioner usually has accelerated training institute, online scenario based questions, and objective testing on Prince2 practitioner. Exam score primarily PMBOK guide, but not limited to. Exam source based basically on PMBOK, but it has been experienced that some questions are really coming out of PMBOK. Scenario based questions are mainly really critical for passing PMP. However, for Prince2, the official manual managing successful projects with Prince2 is enough. The official manual managing project, successful project with Prince2 that is being used. Certification renewal after 3 years. Here Prince2 Foundation does not expire and Prince2 practitioner is 3 to 5 year. So these are basic differences in PMP and Prince2. I will give you some more outline about that, and before we reach to a conclusion which certification is really good for you. These are some of the common attributes. We should never undermine that PMP is superior or Prince2 is not that, or Prince2 is superior, PMP is not that. These are common attributes, and you will really find these attributes are really important when you are going to decide which certification you should go for. So guys, both are respected geographies, both needed examination, training is required in both. Focus is effective project management, be it what or be it how, but focus is end result of the project has to be really successful. Defines project management approaches, both independent of domains. However, Prince2 is said to be more focused on IT side, but yes, it is independent of domains. Better salaries when you are certified, definitely it has a recognition for you. Better career options. Many companies, if they do not see, for example, if US companies, if they do not see PMP certification in your resume, they even don't consider that in many cases. Credibility, both are really credible, and acceptability, yes, both are acceptable in various geographies in the world. So these are some of the common attributes of both the certifications PMP and Prince2. And the next one is, now let me tell you the real differences between PMP and Prince2, and just after that we are going to decide which one is really better for you. So PMP, as I said, it's a standard based on PMBOK. Only one level you pass and you are PMP certified. It was originated in US and highly accepted in US, Middle East and Asia. Generic is nature, it's not specific to some industry. PM is responsible for project end results and focuses on how of the project management. When I'm talking about Prince2, it is a methodology, it's not a standard, it's a methodology. It has detailed processes and templates predefined. 3 level of certification: Prince2 Foundation, Prince2 Practitioner and Prince2 Professional. It was originated in UK and highly accepted in UK, European Union and Australia. Here project manager is acting as a bridge or a middleman between project and control board, and it is mainly focusing on what of the project management, and it is generally aligned towards IT side, IT project management. However, it is not real for IT project management only. So these are basic differences between PMP and Prince2. Now the question comes, which is better, which is for you? Guys, first let me tell you, let's eliminate that preconceived notions from the mind that PMP is better or Prince2 is better. As I said, both certifications are absolutely better. It is difficult for you to like quantify which one is really better. Which one is for you? Yes, we are going to talk about that, which is for you. Any certification, when you are going to decide, these 5 factors will determine what certification you should go for. First of all, geography. If you are based out like in UK, European Union, or areas like Australia where Prince2 is highly accepted, yes, you should go for Prince2. But if you are based out in US, Asia or Middle East, or in company, your career is that is a US based company, so you should go for PMP. Industry. If the industry is IT, Prince2 or PMP, both are suitable. In this case, I will recommend PMP. However, Prince2 is more focused on IT, so you can go for Prince2 also. But PMP is industry. It's not industry specific, it's generic in nature. Organization demand. If your organization is demanding you should be PMP certified, you have to be PMP certified. There is no other option, right? Local environment. It depends. For example, you have a customer who is asking Prince2 certified professional to handle their project. You have to be Prince2 certified. If you have a customer is asking for PMP certified, you have to be PMP certified. Return on investment. You are investing in some certification. Every time you do some certification, you are investing in that. If above four conditions are, for example, they demand Prince2 and you go for PMP, I don't think you will have return on investment. And if they demand PMP and you go for Prince2, they will not have return on investment. So you should understand the ROI, return on investment, and decide which one is really better for you. But personally, I feel keeping current industry standard market condition in demand. I think PMP is having little edge over Prince2. That is my personal feeling. It does not mean Prince2 I'm undermining Prince2, but just I'm looking at the current environment. So I think PMP is having little edge over Prince2. So guys, this is the difference, or I think I'm able to solve your problem. Where you're not able to decide whether you go for PMP or Prince2. Do anything as per your conditions, which I defined in the previous slide. Best of luck. Have a great day. Subscribe this channel. Take care. Bye bye.